Guys, I'm Anisha. Welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing well. And in my today's video, I'm going to show you a glass skin makeup tutorial. So the whole idea about this glass skin is you'll get a skin which is crystal clear like a glass, by which I mean that a skin which is absolutely clear. So I'm going to show all the steps, the step-by-step thing which I'm going to do to get this glass skin makeup, and so you can do it too. So please do watch the video till the end, and if you're new to my channel, do not forget to subscribe and like this video. And now without any further intro, please let's get into the video.
Going to use this Nykaa sheet mask.
So the mask looks like this. I'll just place the mask.
And whatever serum is there in the mask, I'll apply it to my neck and I'll keep this mask for 10 minutes.
Now I'll massage the excess serum which is there after 10 minutes, so that the serum which is there, it is well absorbed into my skin and it's ready for the next steps. So always massage in circular motion. I'll gently massage in a circular motion till the time the serum is absorbed into my skin. So you will see that after I've applied this mask, there's a subtle glow to my face, and I have a full review of this mask in my channel, so I'll link it down below. Do check it if you want to know about these masks. So yeah, we'll move on to the further steps, and for that I'm using this L'Oreal, which is the Hydra Fresh Antiox Moisturizer. So you guys all know that how much I love this moisturizer. I have been using this since a long time. Starting सब मेरे साथ है तो आपको पता होगा that I am so much obsessed with this moisturizer because it hydrates my skin so well. So after just applying the moisturizer, I'm just moisturizing my lips as well. So this is a lip balm from Vega which I just got it as a gift. So I'm just using this to moisturize my lips.
Now before applying any makeup, I'll use the Sugar Grand Finale Highlighting Setting Mist. I'll spray it all over to my face.
After the highlighter, you can see that there's already a glow into my face. And now I'll take this mixing palette. So this is a palette which I'll take, and this is the spatula which I've got with the palette. So I'll mix all the products which I need for this glass skin makeup look. So I'll show you one by one that what all products I'm mixing in this palette, and then we'll apply this with the beauty blender. So yeah.
So first I'll take this Wet n Wild Photo Focus Dewy Primer. Then I'll take this Nykaa Apricot Cold Pressed Oil. Then I'll take this Maybelline Dream Satin Foundation. I'll mix it with the sugar, drop the base serum foundation, and take this Bare Minerals Loose Glitter.
So first I'm mixing this Wet n Wild Dewy Primer which I've shown. So I'm taking a little bit of this primer. So I'm taking this Maybelline Dream Satin Foundation. I'm taking 2 pumps of this foundation. Sugar, drop the base serum foundation into this. If you're an oily skin type, you can obviously skip the base serum foundation which I've used from Sugar, because since I have a normal skin, so I'm using this. If you have an oily skin, because naturally your skin secretes oil, so you do not need to use that. You can use only one type of foundation. And also I'll mix this the Nykaa oil next into this palette. So if you are oily skin type, then you can definitely skip the oil and you can just use a moisturizer instead of that. Now I'll mix this oil. I'll just take 2 drops of oil. Little amount because this is too shimmery, so I'll take a very little amount. You can see just this much, and I'll just take a bit and mix into this. Just apply it first, which is there, and then I'll take this damp beauty blender and I'll just take this and will start dabbing it to my skin. See that there's such a nice shine to my face. So you can see that my foundation is blended and it looks super glossy, and we are just very close to achieve that glass skin. And yes, to set all my base, I'll use this Grand Finale Setting Mist. the highlighting setting mist from Sugar, and I'll set all my base with this spray, and I'll not use any compact or any loose powder because this is a glass skin, so I'm not using anything because it will make my skin eventually more dry, so I'm not doing that. So we'll just set the base. So once I'm done with the spray, I'll just dab it with this beauty blender, just a little bit dabbing. And yes, we are done. For my eyebrows, I'm using this Wet n Wild eyebrow kit, and what I will do is I'll take this spoolie which is there, and can you see this white? So this is not any color, so this is a wax. So what I'll do is I'll take this spoolie, I'll just remove it around this wax, do it like this. Then I'll just comb my eyebrows, which usually I do. What it will do is ये मेरे eyebrows को hold कर देगा, because I want my eyebrows to look a bit thicker today, और मैं थोड़ा इसको bushy दिखाना चाहती हूँ अपने eyebrows को. So this method, क्योंकि ये wax है, अगर आपके पास इस तरह का नहीं है wax, then you can use any crystal clear soap, just like Pears or anything which you have in your house. So anything like that, आप उसके ऊपर भी ऐसे स्पूली रब करके इस मेथड को कर सकते हो. So can you see your hairs, the eyebrow hairs are getting lifted. So then I'll take this dark brown shade from the palette, and I'll just give small strokes light towards the direction of my hair. And again, if there is any excess product to my eyebrows, I'll just, with the help of this spoolie, मैं इसको dust off कर दूँगी. Can you just see the difference between this eyebrow and this one? So it looks a little way more thicker than this one. So yeah, I'll do this one and we'll get back to you. My eyebrows are done. So guys, I'm done with my eyeshadow, my lashes and everything, the mascara. So all the product links I'll mention in the description box below, that what all products I have used to create this eye look. Blush, I'm using this PAC Cream blush in the shade number 06. So these cream blushes are very good for, generally good for normal to dry skin people. Use this L'Oreal Face Lumi Illuminator, and this is in the shade Golden. Yeah, this is in the shade Golden Door. Blend it with my fingers. Tip of my nose. Tip it both. So for my lips, I'm using this Maybelline Sensational Liquid Matte Lipstick in the shade Belly Nude. So I'll mention all the shades in the description box below. So मैं बार-बार बोल रही हूँ, so please आप check कर लीजिएगा. This is a very nice nude lip color. This next lingerie lip butter gloss, and this is a beautiful gloss.
Like you want me, and I guess in a way you do. Holding my breath, unraveling emotions.
So guys, this is my final look, and I hope that you're liking this look, this glass skin makeup tutorial. And I have tried to show you all the possible steps which is there to create this look. And do mention in the comments below what other videos you would like to see, and I would love to do that. And yeah, one more thing is ये जो glass skin makeup, इसको आप like maybe you can carry it for 1 to 2 hours, because उसके बाद क्योंकि सिंस इसमें बहुत सीरम्स है, ऑयल्स है, देन यू हैव दैट मॉइस्चराइजर एवरीथिंग विच इज़ देयर, तो वो ब्रेकआउट्स होने के चांसेस रहते हैं. सो एंड थोड़ा सा केकी लग सकता है वो लुक. सो यू कैन ओनली लाइक कैरी दिस लुक टिल 1 to 2 hours. उसके ज़्यादा देर तक आप इसको होल्ड ऑन करके नहीं रख सकते इस लुक को. सो जस्ट ट्राई टू क्रिएट दिस लुक ऐसे सिचुएशन पे जहाँ पे आपको लग रहा है कि आपका फंक्शन या जहाँ भी आप जा रहे हो वो 1 से 2 घंटे में आपका हो जाएगा. सो या, so that was the information which I wanted to share with you guys, and also I'll see you guys in my next video very soon. Till then, bye, take care.